Right, so what's a Gan Jig? It's a tiny little jig from Zest, in that micro jig kind of style, but with some cool shape and action to it. Really good width, big eye, nice tidy looking assist cords, but we'll find that out as we test it. One of the reasons we like to test our lures, we want to check the paint, see how good these hooks are. Quite often the cords just don't take the punishment from snapper and cartway. Before we sell them to you guys, we want to know. There you go, that little fish is probably just a shade under legal. Not a fish we're interested in keeping anyway, so we're nice and gentle on him, remove the little hooks. But you know, that's a perfect little bait imitation. I've hardly moved that and he's smashed it. Drop straight down there, another go. This jig has got so much action. So I'm going to imitate an injured, don't have to imitate anything, it's hooked up again. I'm trying to imitate a small bait fish that's really injured. I'm trying to keep in mind that if it was a real bait fish, it would have a small tail and it would move very small twitches and erratically. Try not to give the fish any embolisms, bring it up really super slowly, wet hand. The cool thing with these little hooks, they're just hooking in the corner of the mouth, there's hardly even a hole there. I mean, the fish is just bolted, they're about the size of a needle in the first place. And the cool thing about these micro jigs, especially in summertime, they're one of the best things you can do, because they'll catch you some of the better size, more aggressive fish that you're after, and less of the small one. There you go, he's on there. Slightly bigger than the others, this one. There we go. That's superb quality eating fish. There you go. So that's the Zest Gan Jig. That fish is about 42 centimetres. That jig is about 28 grams with a couple of tiny hooks in it. Okay, so I've been real cheeky. I've got the Zest Gan Jig in the rod holder, sitting just off the bottom with the clicker on, because the Maxwell's got a little bite clicker on. Leave your drink, look at that. No. Hooked itself. Oh well, there you go. Either the lure's that good. Caught well in there, right in that lip, look. I especially love this side with the eye. It's really appealing to me. That makes the top of the jig a real target, predatory fish target the eye. Alright, Gan Jig. Little tiny Zest Gan Jig. This thing is about the size of your pinky finger. See what it catches. Oh, nice one, Gan Jig. 28 grams, $13 or something for that little jig. Look at the quality of that snapper. There you go. Tiny little Gan Jig. Nice big snapper. Another one for the Gan Jig. That's another one that's gassed all to hell. There you go. This one's a tiny little green and yellow. That eye's got me sold. The fish seem to love it. 2 hooks, double hook rig. I mean, that fish is not going anywhere, he's in big trouble. And even if you use one of these and just thrash it until it's dead, it's no plastic, is it? So, you know, catch a lot of high quality fish on jigs. You don't necessarily need tassely tails or soft bait smell. Might be a little harder to get them going. Look at the quality of that critter.